Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today we're looking at the TONEMAC Q1 Open Ear TWS earbuds. And I've been using them for a little while now, and here's what it looks like. This is almost, it looks like a final product. They're currently available on Kickstarter, so the link will be in the description below to get that. And as you can see, they've gone over their pledges, so that's awesome. They will be funded. So here is the headphones right here. They go over the ear, and they're magnetically charged on the inside of the case. So there's the left, and then here's the right. They sit on top of your ear. They do not go inside of your ear. Here is the case. Looks very nice. Has a USB-C port on the back for charging. So this case can hold 20 additional hours of playtime, and these headphones work for 10 hours. They have Bluetooth 5.2 technology. So there are the contact points for the magnetic charging, and there is the earpiece right there, and they sit over the ear like that. And then on this side, they sit over the ear like that. They have 4 microphones with environmental noise cancellation technology built in, and there is one button right here on each earpiece. So there's that one, and then here's the button on this one. So multiple presses do different things. Skip forward tracks, go back tracks, you can pause and play. You can even activate your smart assistant. This case is really no bigger than my hand, so that's pretty good size, but smaller than some of the other really expensive earbuds. They have IP66 waterproofing technology. They have 30 total hours of battery life. Like I mentioned, you can even wear glasses while wearing these over the part of your ear. They're very loud. They have 16 millimeter drivers on each earbud. I had it about 1/3 the way up for volume, and that was about as much volume as I needed to hear in a pretty loud area. So halfway up, people around you might be able to hear them. It's an open ear design, so they don't go fully in the ear. They sit above the ear, and they do sound really good. The bass on these is excellent, and this looks like a final product, like I mentioned. The case looks good, the earbuds look good, and in about a week, they'll be done with their funding. So I would hop on this now to get the best pricing on these. This is the TONEMAC Q1 open ear earbuds, and I liked using them. I'm definitely going to use them more often, and for 10 hours, the battery life is most excellent. You can go across the country on a flight with these and still have battery life left over. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up.